Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete your Apple ID account. Please subscribe to the channel. Put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. In what case you may need to delete your account? For example, in case you decide to sell your phone or give it to someone, or you decide to switch to Android, and you don't want your Apple ID data on your old device. So how do you delete it? First, we need to go to Settings. Here we need to go to the Apple ID account. Click. Scroll down to the bottom, and here we see the Sign Out button. I don't have it glowing red, but you should have it highlighted in red. If it is, then you click on it and your account will be deleted. What else do we need to do? Next, we need to use some kind of browser. I'm going to use Safari. And you have to type in privacy.apple.com in the search box. Once you do that, then you will be taken to a page where you need to enter your name and also your Apple ID password. Then after you log in, you will be taken to a page like this. Here you need to scroll down to the bottom. Find the subsection Delete Your Account. Then we click on the blue line at the end of that section. Once it has downloaded, I strongly recommend that you read everything that is written here very carefully, because all of your data, including photos, videos, phone numbers, and any other data that is tied to your account, will be deleted once you see the account itself. After you have read everything carefully, you will need to select the reason why you are deleting your Apple ID. And that's by clicking on the checkbox here. For example, you can select Don't Want to Talk. Next, you will need to click on the blue button. And after that, your Apple ID will be deleted. That's how easy it is to delete your Apple ID account. I hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe to the channel, write your comments, and give your likes. See you soon.